Welcome back to Brad Fab Garage. Got home from church and the wife said, honeydew, honeydew. My car needs brakes before our Colorado trip. So, honeydew time. Gotta get the tree stand out of the car before I get in trouble. I think it needs a bath more than anything. Good Lord. Good thing about the wife's car, she's always got treats. The only thing I can guarantee you in this video is this shirt ain't gonna be clean when I'm done with this car, because it drives down the back dirty, dusty roads of Logan County every day. Alright, let's see what we find. They're stripped or they just got them that kind of tight. Hope not. These are all right. Boys keep running off my little cheap Harbor Freight magnet lights. These all look good. Go ahead and pull them off and just double check them and make sure, but unless there's a rock or something in them, they look good. These look brand new. I think she's hearing things. No damage. Oh, false alarm. think she just wanted me out of the house. Anything else that's good? I don't know. Just have to see if I can go in the house and tell there ain't no noise and I think she's crazy. But some of y'all have been married a lot longer than I have, so you can tell me whether that's a good thing or not. Sometimes it's fun to poke the bear a little bit. We'll put this side back together too. I'll tell you one thing. If you've got a place you can get a lift, I got this lift off eBay for $1,800 delivered. I've got other tools that cost way more than that, and man, you can talk about a back saver. I wouldn't know how to act without one now. And like I said, they're not difficult to put together or anything like that, but man, if you've got the room, spend the little cash. It's well worth it, even if you gotta save up for it. I ended up selling some parts. Like most of us, you know, we all keep our collection of parts, and I sold my uncle a pair of coilover shocks for his rock crawler just to pay for this. So I'm very much of a buy, sell, and trade kind of guy. Because with anybody that knows, with a couple boys and hobbies, spare cash ain't a thing. Let's see if we can get in here and see the rears any way, shape, or form. That one's not on the squealer yet. Let's see about this inside. That one's not on the squealer. I think that one is. That one's got a good 3/16 of an inch in there. All right. We may just have to go drive it ourselves. I drove it back from the city. I didn't hear anything, but I may just have to ride with her and see what this noise is. What are you, cat? Whose cat is this? We might need a barn cat. I don't know where this thing came from. Run up between my legs. But it made me pee my pants. You better get out of here. You get on top of one of my cars, we're gonna have a problem. You got it? Let me know, cat's here. I got dogs. You be running out of them lives everybody talks about. Come up in here doing that to me. Yeah. Trying to buddy up to me now? Tell you what. This may be my first free giveaway to the 815th subscriber. You can get a free cat. Mean cats don't do well. They're fun to screw with, but I don't like cats around my cars. All I need is claw marks all over my Camaro. All right, guys. I guess I'm gonna have to go drive this thing around and see if my wife will tell me these noises she's hearing. And see what I gotta do from there. But the brakes looks good. That's what she thought it was. I said, okay, we'll fix it. So I'm out, guys. Sorry this wasn't very exciting, but like and subscribe because more stuff's coming. But you know how it is. You got to take care of the honeydews and then get the mosquitoes already. So we'll see you guys next time. Bye.